Shall we talk about articles today? What are articles? I ate an apple this morning. I ate half an apple this morning. I ate a banana yesterday. The banana and the apple was so tasty. Hello everybody, welcome to Cornerstone Skills, and I'm on a mission to help you gain your fluency in your English and build your confidence in your communication skills. So let us talk about articles today. We have the indefinite articles, the a and the an, and we have the definite article, which is the. So when do we use these different articles? What are the rules about these articles? Shall we start with the indefinite article an? So an is used before a vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Any word which starts with these vowels, we use an. I ate an apple. Do you have an umbrella? I saw an elephant while I was walking on the road. And that is about an. Whereas the indefinite article, the second rule about the indefinite article a, when do we use it? It is used before a consonant. Now what are consonants? Consonants are any letter other than the A, E, I, O, U is a consonant. And that's when we use the a. Like I said, I ate a banana yesterday, right? I use a pen. I use a pen to write. I use a fork to eat noodles, right? And I drink water from a bottle. So these are the different ways of using the indefinite article. Now let's talk about the next rule, which is how we use the definite article. We have the and the. Now what is the and the? As I mentioned earlier, the banana and the apple are so tasty. Why do I say the banana? Because banana is a consonant, and so we say the. Apple is a vowel, so I say the. So that is where we have to be careful as to when we use the and the. Usually the definite article is used when you speak about something the second time. I said a banana, later I said the banana. So always when you speak about something the second time, that is when you say the. Let me give you one more example. Yesterday, while I was walking on the road, I saw a very old man. I saw a very old man. Today when I walked, I saw the same old man. So I repeated and then I used the. I saw the same old man. So you know what I'm talking about, right? Sometimes we use the for something specific that you are aware of. Like for example, the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas, the Sahara Desert, the CEO of a company, the president. So all those you are aware of, so we use the. Now, we also use the for the superlative degree. Now, what is the superlative degree? The cleverest girl in the class, the tallest guy, the brightest child, the easiest problem. Whenever you use the superlative degree, you use the. You will learn more about the superlative degree later on. But remember, whenever you're talking about something that is the best, you will use the. Now let me give you a few other examples. When we talk about one item. When we talk about a number, for singular, we say a or an. For example, my son got a new pair of jeans. I say a. But my son got 2 pairs of jeans. I don't use an article at all. Understood? Every week we buy a dozen eggs. I use the article. But if I say every week we buy 2 dozen eggs, I don't use the article. So when you're using for numbers more than 1, you do not use the article. So that is the last rule when you do not use the article. We also do not use the article for proper nouns, for names like Manoj, Jesse, Jenny. Jenny has gone to work. Manoj has gone to play. We don't use the articles there, right? Also, when we talk about plural nouns, we do not use the article. For example, mangoes. Mangoes are such juicy fruits. It's plural, so we don't use an article. Other words like information, knowledge, all those are plural. We do not use an article. So let us be careful. Let us be careful when we speak the English language. Even though the articles are such tiny words, when we make a mistake, it can be very confusing. People may notice the mistake, but they may not correct us. I hope you benefited something from this video, but if you found it difficult to understand, I request you to go back and listen again. And I would like you to write one statement in the comments below, a statement which has an article, indefinite and a definite article. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.